Hey, how you doing out there? Hope all is good and life is treating you well. It is time for the dose of motivation here at SuckItUpUSA.com. This edition of the motivation is dedicated to coaches. Coaches all throughout our world, all throughout our great country, all sports, all levels. I want to commend you first and foremost for going that route. I know if you are trying to make it your profession, it is a tough, tough road. There's no doubt about it. But if you stay true to it and you keep working and keep networking and keep growing and getting better, you will move up that ladder. You will. There's no doubt. You see it all throughout sports. And if you're a good coach, you're going to get picked up. So that's just the way that it goes. If you're volunteering out there, God bless you. You know, taking time out of your day to help the younger kids, you know, help high school kids, whatever. If you're volunteering coaching, that's even more commendable in my book. You know, I've had great coaches throughout my lifetime. My father was never my coach per se, but he was my mentor without a doubt. And no disrespect to any of my coaches, but my father's approval on the football field, the basketball court, the baseball diamond, what have you, that was what I needed for myself. And if he gave me the approval because he was tough on me, then I knew I could handle any critique from any coach out there. And I've had some great ones, like I said. You know, the best coaches to me are the consistent ones. You're honest, you're fair, you're consistent. And I think that's very important. I am a big believer in tough love. I am. I think if done correctly, that's the best way to run a team, coach a team, run a business, raise a family, whatever the case may be. And what is it? It's accountability. It's just holding your team, your group accountable in everything, whether it's rebounding in basketball, pitching in baseball, you know, defending the pass in football. Everybody has a job to do. Everybody has to do that job correctly, and you have to be accountable for that. I also think it's really good to praise your people, praise your team, praise your athletes, you know, because that's what we all need. We all need that pat on the back. You know, hey, nice job, nice tackle, you know, nice stolen base, whatever it may be. We all need that. And if you do it truthfully, if you do it genuinely and honestly and fairly and consistently, guess what? Next time you critique hard, next time you lay down the law with a member of your team, they'll be able to accept it better because they know the adulation is coming. It's a cycle, but it's an honest cycle. So you can be as hard and as tough as nails on your team as long as they know that they are going to see some rewards when they do a good job. And they maybe small rewards. You know, they may be, look, we're not doing conditioning today because you guys worked really hard and I loved what you did in practice. Or, hey, nice win, you know, over the weekend, and guess what? You got Monday off. You know, little things like that, even smaller ones. Oh, hey, nice job. That was a really good play. Keep it up. Because as people, look, we're creatures of habit. And if we know we're going to get that praise, and we know it's going to be consistent when we do well, regardless of who we are on the team, it makes us perform better. It makes us want to perform better. You know, we do want structure. We do want discipline. We do. I think inside the household, on a business, on a team, it doesn't matter. Because when it's there, you know the good is coming. And it's easier to accept the critique and the tough love when you know that the praise is going to be there when you do a nice job. I will say this about coaches. Treat everybody on your team the same as far as being fair to them. Now, look, you got some slackers. I know they're there. You got some, you know, daisy pickers out in the outfield or whatever. You got to stay on them. I get that. And you parents at home should allow coaches to coach. Stay out of the way unless you really feel like your kid's being treated unfairly. However, let me leave you with this. I can always remember my dad saying, there's not a coach in the world, this goes for teachers too, there's not a coach in the world that doesn't like a kid that tries hard, does what he's told, stays out of trouble, and gives it his all every single time, or her all every single time. There's not a coach in the world that doesn't like that. Just like there's not a teacher in the world. Dad, my teacher doesn't like me. Mom, my coach doesn't like me. You know what the response should be? Make them like you. Because if you're doing things the right way, they're going to like you. So do it with tough love. Be consistent. God bless all the coaches out there, teachers included. Keep up the good work. Keep doing it from your heart, from your gut, and be consistent every single day. And I tell you what, the results, they'll be consistent too. Thanks for tuning in to the Dose of Motivation. Hug the ones you love. Tell them you love them, because you never know what tomorrow is going to bring. And we'll see you right here next time on Tom McManus's Dose of Motivation at SuckItUpUSA.com.